Bless up.
Alright, keep that steady hand, big man. Recording?
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah.
Woo! Ghost! Gang! Family! You are so tired with day. I'm coming back at y'all with another video, you dig what I'm saying? Hey, bro. Ooh, shit, but that shit bright as a bitch. Hold on, cuz. You to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. We gonna run it up all the way up, you dig what I'm saying? Make sure you are following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All those links are in the description of this video. Said, man, my last video, bro, yeah, there ain't no more beer pong table. The beer pong table gone. It's for everybody out there that's wondering, the beer pong table is wrapped up finally, bro. I got more room to walk around and shit. Thinking about getting some pictures to go like right here. I'm gonna get like a big ass, like, not a Jordan picture, but it's gonna be a Jordan picture, but it's gonna be some fire ass shit. Just wait on it. It's gonna be like a big ass, it's gonna be like a 5-piece like Jordan picture, you dig what I'm saying? That shit gonna be hard as fuck, man. Watch, man, you know what I'm saying? Just to bring some scenery to my background, I'm talking to y'all young niggas. Y'all ain't come on here to hear me talk about the beer pong table. Y'all ain't come on this video to hear me talking about a goddamn, it's a picture on the wall. I just came on here to talk about these OBJ Air Max 720s now. In my opinion, the OBJ Air Max 720s, they're clean, these are fire, they're flames, all right? They are flames. If you want some comfortable ass shoes and you wanna look swaggy, you dig what I'm saying? You wanna look some swaggy, you want some drip, are you training, working out, y'all still in high school, y'all in college, I definitely would've bought these. I mean, $200 to work out on some $200 shoes, but think about it, man, we bought $200 cleats to go fuck up. So, man, think about $200 shoes to work out in. Probably would've spent my bread on, I might get them just, you know, go to the gym. This was some gym shoes, bro. To be honest with you, OBJ got some more Air Maxes that are coming out that is up under his name that he styled and everything, bro. They're called the Young King of the People. He had the first colorway that came out a few months ago, I think at the top of summer, that was called Young King of the Drip. I'm just really curious on how y'all feel about these shoes. That's the really reason why I'm making this video. I wanna know how y'all really feel about his shoes. Honestly, like I said, man, I think they're fire, they're flames. The Young King of the Drip colorway, like I said, came out at the top of the summer, I believe, or during in the middle of the summer. I'm not sure how you want to do it, say it, but it came out around that time. It was like a little funky colorway, not for everybody. I'm gonna show you right here. These right here, these are crazy. These was wild, you know what I'm saying? These weren't for everybody. Like, these sold out, but they sold out online. They didn't sell out in stores. So if you had like went inside like your local mall or whatever, they still had these on shelves. Like, you could have bought them like when they first came out, you feel me? Now, these weren't for everybody. These are Young King of the Drip because, you know, like when he came out with these, he was, you know, OBJ is a fashionable young nigga, you feel me? He's a fashionable young man. That shoe speaks volumes. Like, he got the tiger stripes, all that, all the crazy print on it, bright colors, you know what I'm saying? Because OBJ is the way he dressed and all that stuff. But these right here, the Young King of the People, is just, you know, the shoe was made behind, you know, how hard he worked and like how he gives back and stuff like that. But the colorway, you know, just a simple colorway, tan cream colorway. And Air Max 720s, they're comfortable. Those are like one of the most comfortable Air Maxes that you'll probably put on. Air Maxes are comfortable, period. But the Air Max 720s, bro, I gotta get me a pair of Air Max 720s, matter of fact. That's what I'm gonna do. Probably in the next month or so, I'm gonna have me a pair of Air Max 720s. So be on the lookout for that review. This in particular pair, the Young King of the People, Air Max the OBJ, is coming out on Sunday. Sunday Fun Day, the start of the NFL season, and they are retailing at $200, bro. And they're dropping at 1 o'clock, so all the games start on Sunday is at 1 o'clock. You feel me? For all football, man. Football is back. The NFL is back. Let me know if you guys are copping or dropping. Let me know. I don't know if these might be limited because it's a particular day that they're dropping on and at a certain time. Like I said, if these do sell out on like the sneakers app or your Foot Locker website, Champs website, or anything that sell out online, always check your local stores if you really want them, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if people really, you know, really want these or not, but I'm pretty sure they might be limited just due to the fact they're being released at a certain time. Come on, we gotta put 2 and 2 together. We gotta start putting 2 and 2 together. You get what I'm saying? Let me know if you're copping or dropping these. Come out September 8th. That is on Sunday, and they are dropping for $200. They're retailing for $200 and they're coming out at 1 o'clock. So they will be released at 1 o'clock on Sunday. That is when the first NFL game will be starting and played to start off the season. You dig what I'm saying? Do y'all follow OBJ? I follow OBJ. OBJ is for the culture. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button. You dig me? You dig what I'm saying? It is one and only MajorKixx. Are you copping and dropping? OBJ, young king of the people, you know what I'm saying? We inspiring the youth, man. We doing this for the culture. We doing everything for the culture. You dig what I'm saying? Inspire the youth, inspire your people. You dig me?
Hate and say we changing, look, we made it.